Hello everybody, it is Cougar Queen, and today's another video, and I really appreciate it when you click on these videos because it makes me so happy. But today I'm gonna be trying to get some cool stuff, and I don't want that anymore. But yeah. Now, if you watch some of my previous videos, two things are new about my look. First off, I have no ring and I have no collar. Well, I traded my collar for I actually forgot what I traded for it. I think I traded it for a couple of rares. Oh yeah, I traded it for this ladybug hat. I think I did. Did I? I can't remember. But I traded it for a couple of rares. And I think someone was trying to troll me and they accidentally clicked accept for a Jomalade rare scarf, and of course I'd accept that because I'm like, yeah, I was thinking it was a troll, but I don't know, she was asking for it back after I kind of just went to my den and locked it, because you shouldn't be troll trading. I mean, you shouldn't have traded that. You should have really just not do that. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna be checking up on my friends. This is one of my friends that was in my last video, and now we're friends. I really want this. This is one of my best friends. This friend is the one. This is supposed to be me and her. This is when I first logged in as Cougar Queen. I wore this worn, and we both had friendship bracelets. And she had this outfit. I think she changed up her look a bit though. So let's go to her den. And there she is. Hey, Bestie. Why is she saying OMG? Oh, has she not seen my membership yet? She might have forgot because I showed her before. I'm gonna tell her I'm recording. Cool. They can't. There. Oh. Okay. Okay, so when I first came in, we were besties. That's our friendship bracelets. That's the same color. Well, I actually have mine. I have mine right here, but she... No, I got two. Okay. Put that. Okay, so yeah, when I first got in, she traded me she traded me a fox hat to get started. And I said I'm gonna be a member soon and stuff like that. And then she was like, "Can you give it back when you're a member, though?" And I'm like, "Okay, sure." So that's why she said, "LOL." Because yeah, and it was this one. I think she missed the part where I said I was recording. Because I don't think she would do some little caps like that on video. But she probably thinks I'm trolling her. Why did it take her so long? Recording. Yay, she still has her Jomalade scarf and flower. I'm bored. Can you please say something? Please. OMG, you did a vid and now you got a new BFF? Huh? Huh? I'm confused. Did I already show her my channel? Speaking of BFFs. Witty Rule. I like that name. It's funny. The Epic Drawer. What does she have any art on trade? Whoa! Oh, whoa! What? Non-member? I'm still recording. I don't get it. Oh my gosh. What is she saying? I don't get what she's saying. We're still BFFs though, right? I drew a whole picture. That picture actually took me a couple hours. Oh yeah. BRB. Okay. When she had her pink fox hat, she had a whole different look. I forgot about that. Good dough. So cringy. Not the username, but the way I said it. Rihanna. Swaggy. What did I say? Swaggy Tiny Bear. Yuda and NT Cool Hush. Super Spider something for, I don't know. Oh wait, where'd she go? They have a New Year's party. I think I already collected everything from there. But she kind of just left me. I mean, hey, where is she? Is she even on? Where is she? The diamond shop. Why is she at the diamond shop? Getting some gauntlets, maybe? That's my only guess. Okay, there she is. Yeah. Are you at diamond shop? Oh, by the way, this morning, OMG, it was so creepy. There was this person. Please go watch my vids. It's named Cougar Queen AJ. Yep, I need to make a new picture. Like that. There was this person, and even though, no, I put nobody, he kept on like typing messages, and I'm like, that's so creepy. Yay. And I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so creepy. Like, oh my gosh. That's crazy. Oh, I got 3 gems this morning. It's cool. Yeah. Tomorrow I have to get ready to go back to school because of winter break. I go back to school on Thursday in this where I live. No, I don't want to go back. I'm sure none of us do. I'm back. I was waiting. OMG, this is probably the most boringest video ever, but I just like to make them anyways. Because I like to record and do absolutely nothing. Anyways, so, okay. I want to see her reaction to recording. I mean, what does she think that I'm still recording? Like, she didn't say anything, did she? And what are her pets? That's adorable. Oh, I like that little shaped mouse too. Oh, it's right there. I like how they like constantly sniffle. It's adorable. Oh, I did. XD. Do you know my name? My name? What? Do you know my name? I can type name, but I just want to say name because it's so much funnier. I'm sick. No, LOL. It's my. Yeah, I'm just gonna tell it it's Cougar. It's not working. Cougar J. Don't OMG. When I was trying to tell people my how to find my channel. Oh yeah, I'm on it. Oh, that's cool. I remember so many people got lost because it was showing a lot of weird stuff, which is Cougar Queen. So I had to tell them that to remember to because it'll autocorrect. So you have to make sure you want to actually put Cougar with an E and not an A, Queen. Yay! I almost fell off my chair. Now I'm bored. I have 4 minutes left of this video. What do you want to do? Oh, she just fixed that plan. You saw that? Oh, she's at my den. Okay, you want to look at my den? Oh, that's so adorable. She just came in my den and sat right next to it. That's cute. XD. I like saying XD. Like, I didn't like saying that before, but now it's just like XD. I love it so. That sounded kind of weird. You mean you love it so much? Because I don't really get that. Me too. I remember she tried to trade for it once, but I really, really liked it. I don't really want to get rid of it. So, Dusty, what I'm going to put this on your face. I remember one time we were role playing. It was my den and she was like sleeping on those NM couches. And I moved it to where I was sleeping because I was sleeping on the floor. And she was like, really? And we started laughing, like LOLing. I'm gonna do this one. I want to collect all of these. All of them. Does this one go here or here? I think it goes up here, right? Yep. Oh, can you trade me it? I'm looking at it now. Ew. I shouldn't have put the comma. Okay, guys, well, like 50. Okay, let me wait. 8, 9, 50 more seconds of this video. So I know it, non-member. Me too, but it has a golden ridge. Can that mean it is member? Anyways, thank you guys for watching. You guys, I just want her to think that I'm typing it. See you later. Later. I want to do something so bad. Dogs. I want to put that. Dogs. Oh, it lets me. Okay, well, I'll see you guys later. Peace.